Hi everyone.
Hi teacher.
How are you today?
We are good teacher.
Okay, that's right. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic in science. Before we start our lesson, I want everyone to look at this picture. Can you guess what we're going to learn today?
About space and planets teacher.
Very good, Naomi. Today we're going to explore something amazing that we can every day see but may not know much about the solar system. Now look at this first. Before we start our topic, let I test your space IQ. I have three interesting statements. I want you to decide whether each statement is real or fake. Number one, there is a planet where it's ran liquid iron. Real or fake?
Real.
Good job. Yes, scientists believe that iron rain happens on some very hot planets. Next one. One planet takes 165 years to orbit the sun. Real or fake?
Real.
Correct. This is also real. The planet is Neptune. Last one. You would wait much less on Mars than on Earth. Real or fake?
Real.
Good job. This one is real. Gravity on Mars is weaker than on Earth. Wow. All three statements are true and you got all correct. Good job. Now next one. Look at this picture. A mystery asteroid has mixed up our solar system. I need one volunteer. Can you arrange this correctly? I give you this one. Who want to correct it? Do you agree, Dila?
Yes.
Okay, let's see your answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
The first one is Sun, Earth. After that is Neptune. The Sun is the first order and the center of the solar system. And following with the planet which is Earth and Neptune. Now next one. What is this? This is the curve. What is the curve? It means an orbit. Every planet has an orbit. The planets do not move randomly. They move around the sun in the fixed path. Earth takes 1 year to complete one orbit around the sun. So next one. Today learning objective is by the end of today lesson you should able to name the 8 planets, arrange the planet in order from the sun, and explain what is an orbit. Now next one. This is the 8th planet. Repeat after me. Mercury.
Mercury.
Next one is Venus.
Venus.
Earth.
Earth.
Mars.
Mars.
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Saturn.
Saturn.
Uranus.
Uranus.
And the last one is
Neptune.
Neptune. You see this? Although all the planets move around the sun, every planet has different characteristics. For example, the first one, Mercury, is the closest planet to the sun. The second planet is Venus, is hottest planet. The third one is where we live, which is Earth. And the fourth one is Mars. Mars is the red planet. After Mars, the fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the larger planet among these planets. And the next one is Saturn. Saturn is the planet has rings. And then next one is Uranus. Uranus is a giant, ice giant planet. And the last one is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, let's check your understanding. Which planet is called the red planet?
Mars.
Good job. Next one. Which planet has a ring?
Saturn.
Good job. Now next one. This is one last question from me. Which planet do we live? Raise up your hand if you think the answer is A. A. Now, B. Okay. Good job. The answer is Earth. Not Mars, Nila. Okay, good job everyone. We live on Earth. The next one. Now you already know what the sun is the center of the solar system. You also know that the planet move around the sun in path called orbit. This one is orbit. Next, we're going to explore more of each planet, learn their unique feathers, and discover why planets is special. Each of these planets are special. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin our lesson.
You know that the sun is here and then the other planets are on Earth, right? So, what is the closest planet that you see over here? Yes, and then after that? And where are we now? Earth. Good. After Earth is? So, did they say anything about us staying in Mars in the future? Did you hear that Elon Musk said that we may stay in Mars in the future? The biggest one? Yes, after Jupiter? Very good. And then? So there's another one planet that is not in the orbit anymore. Orbit meaning when it turns around, it takes a few days for it to turn. In at Earth, how many days do we have? Good. 365 days, right? So when we have 365 days, did you know that the other places are longer than that? So that means some places are like, it takes 2 years for them to go around because it's so long. So that's why we call it an orbit, because orbit is like you go around like that. So imagine this one, right? I think it was either, we can check it in later, I think it was either Jupiter or Saturn. It takes them 665 days for it to turn. So it's quite long actually. So ours is only 365 days and we already feel, oh, it's so long. That's 1 year, right? This is 2 years for it to go around. Orbit is orbit, okay? Think of it like the road, okay? And we have road over here, right? So when we have road, we can go around our house, right? Like that. If our house is here, we have a road over here, then it follows like this as well. So that is what Earth they all are doing. It's just going around the sun only. It's not that the sun is moving. The Earth, the planets are moving around the sun. That's why they have days over there. Night, day, right? Okay? So it's like a highway. You know what highway means, right? Okay, so this is a full planet trip, okay? As it takes to travel along the track, okay? We travel around the sun, and like I said just now, 365 days. Some 665 days, okay? So while the planet is traveling around the sun, it is also spinning, okay? That's why we have our own day and night, okay? You should know that Alaska, they have 6 months day, 6 months night. Yeah. 6 months, the day is all light only, like the sun is always up for 6 months now. And then the other 6 months, it's night time. So imagine at night, they walk, right? It's already 7 a.m. in the morning, it's still night time for them for 6 months. So that's why it's different. The Earth spins around very differently. Every planet will spin on its own, okay? Okay, so far, you understand so far? Do you like the topic so far? You're forced to say yes. Okay, so it's like a basketball. You know how you spin the basketball, right? Earth is doing that while going around the sun. Okay, so if you go through this one, all right, you have your pen over here, right? Can you help to name all the planets that are here? Okay, so the one that is closest to the sun, you have your word bank over here. What do you think is the closest to the sun? Very good. Okay, after that, the second planet is, what is this one? Yes, good. Okay, after that, our planet Earth. The answer is there, right? Yes, very good. Okay, it's like a blueberry, right? I think this is not a blueberry. I feel like this is a blueberry. Yeah. So the red planet. This one they say, oh, in the end, if Earth dies, we will stay here, they say. What is it? Yeah, good. Mars. Alright. What about planet number 5? The biggest one, the largest planet here. Jupiter. Alright, very good. So, has, what does it say over here? Beautiful rings. This one, huh? Basically. Good job. The first blueberry. The giant. We have like 3 blueberries, you know. Okay, the last blueberry. Yeah. Do you know Neptune is the name of a god, Greek god? They call it like Neptune. The one. Do you know Ariel? You watched Ariel before, right? You know Ariel's father? Don't SpongeBob. Yeah, SpongeBob was a god. Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay, good job. Okay, so do you remember what you wrote just now? You have to write the order. Order meaning after the sun, what is the first one? Very good. Because I showed you the picture as well. If you need help, you just ask me. I will show you again. Okay. After Venus is. Good job. Neptune. Good. Alright. So you can put your own over here. There is one here that we don't use normally. Yeah. Pluto, right? Good job. Yeah. Alright. So over here we have hints. Okay, hints meaning there are some things over here that they want you to match to the characteristic of the planet. So the planets are here. These are what the planets have. So can you read the first one?
Solar system made of ice, dust, and rock.
Okay, so which one has prominent ring system? Which one has a ring around it? Yep, good job. In your own words, what orbit is. So do you remember I told you about an orbit, right? Okay, so let's pretend that you remember what an orbit is. What did I say? When you spin it on your finger, what happens to the ball? Okay, it spins around. So, meaning to say, the place spins, okay, the planet spins around. Around, yeah. Okay, around the sun. Okay, good. So, what happens to the planet's temperature as its distance from the sun increase? So, what happened to the planet? Okay, the planet's temperature. Okay, if it's further away from the sun, yes, it becomes cold. Why is it cold? Yeah, don't have heat right from the sun. Okay, very good. It's okay, you don't need to write it since you gave me the answer already. Why is our planet classified as why is Pluto classified as a dwarf planet? Just now you wrote about Pluto. So why is it classified as a dwarf planet? Why is it called?
It's small.
Yes, it's very small, and then it's no more in our system anymore, right? Because it's so far away. Okay, good job. Now we go to this one, very fast one. Okay, probe clues. Planet A. So cold icy gas giant that is 150 Earth years. Okay, furthest main planet. Which is that one? What planet is this? So if you look at this, cold and icy gas giant. Yes, very good. Planet A is Neptune. Okay, because it is furthest away from the sun. So the moment you hear furthest away from the sun, meaning to say that's the reason already. Okay. So planet B, okay, it is very hot and rocky, 225 Earth years away from the sun. It's the brightest one, especially at night also. So what do you think? It's closest to the sun. Good. Alright, good job. So planet C, cold and dusty, red soil. See what I say? 687 days, okay? And it's home to massive volcanoes. What do you think this is? Cold, dusty, it has red soil. So, okay, very good. Yes. Oh, Mark, I'm impressed. You really know your own planets very well. Okay, so we just go to this part. Okay? So now you're going to have to pretend to be a detective lah. Okay? You have to pretend to be a detective. So the mystery of number one is the hottest planet secret. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. However, Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system. Why is Venus hotter than Mercury?
It's closer to the sun.
Yes, very good. It's closer to the sun. So mystery number two, speed on the orbit. Okay? Mercury takes only 88 days to go around the sun once. So it's like basically 3 months only. Okay? Neptune takes 165 years. Why does Neptune take so much longer to finish one orbit? Like one spin?
Mercury's orbit is small.
It's small. Very good. Mercury's orbit is small, is it? Yeah, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so what? Let's see. One more question. What is the path around the? Good job, everyone. Okay, thank you so much.
You have done your work? Okay, nice. Now let us check our answer together. I will show to you the diagrams of the solar system. Now, please look at this diagram. Please take out your red pen color and compare your worksheet to the correct answer that I will display to you. If you find any mistake, do not worry about the mistake. This is your chance to learn and to improve your work. Correct it, and you may ask the question if you are still confused about the answer. If you find any mistake, just tell me what's wrong and I will check it for you. Okay, let's read the planet together in order from the sun. I will point it to you one by one. We start from the first planet, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and that's all the planets that we're gonna learn. Well done. If your answer is correct, give yourself a big clap. And if you find any mistake, please correct them now. So let us move to the quick quiz. I will ask the questions to you. It's not a long question, it's a short question, only 2 questions. You may write your questions at the back of your worksheet. Please turn to the back of your worksheet and write the question. For question number 1 is, which planet is closest to the sun? Which planet is closest to the sun? You write it? Okay. Question number 2. What is the path a planet takes around the sun core? I will repeat it again. What is the path a planet takes around the sun core? You have 2 minutes starting from now. Please work your answer quietly on your own. Can you think about the answer? Tick tock, tick tock. The time almost up now. Okay, time's up. Okay, let's check the answers together. What is the answer for question number 1? The answer is Mercury. Is it correct? Okay, if the answer is not correct, it's okay. You can write the correct answer under the answer that you have. Okay, the answer to question number 2 is orbit. Is it correct? Okay, well done. Fantastic. Today you have learned the names of the 8 planets, the order from the Sun, and that each planet travels around the Sun on its own orbit. That's all for your lesson today. Give yourself a big clap for your hard work. Thank you for giving me your time. Even I know it's not a long time, it's a short time, but thank you for participating in my lesson. That's all from me. Thank you.